Hi, so today we are talking about how to become a robotics engineer. Robotic engineer have skills and knowledge in mechanical engineering, electronics and software programming. They work in laboratories and production facilities for companies in the manufacturing, mining, aviation, defense and automotive industries. So robotic engineers design and build robots and robotic systems. They develop robots and systems that increase the efficiency, output and safety of a variety of tasks, often in a manufacturing or production setting. So, designing, building, and testing robotics prototypes, including mechanical parts, electronic circuitry, and software programming. Reviewing mechanical process and identifying opportunities for automation, configuring, testing, and troubleshooting robotics programming systems, planning and building robotics systems in line with the cost, safety, and efficiency targets, developing proposals and reports to present to the clients and stakeholders. So, to become a robotic engineer, you are usually required to complete a relevant bachelor degree in engineering. Joining a professional association can improve your employability and provide opportunities to continuous upskilling. Complete a relevant degree such as a Bachelor of Engineering, Mechatronic honors. This usually takes 4 years of full-time study. Depending on the units you select, other disciplines of engineering may also be suitable. Consider advancing your skills with the postgraduate degree such as a Master of Engineering, Mechatronic. This usually takes 2 years of full-time study. Seek placement opportunities while studying to gain practical experience. Apply to join professional associations such as engineers. So if you want to make a robot engineers, must to have 3 courses you learn. First is machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers design and create algorithms used to make business predictions and test machine learning systems used for a variety of business purposes. Second is the AI engineer. An artificial intelligence engineer uses innovative technology to developing intelligent algorithms capable of learning, analyzing, predict future events and reasoning similar to human brain to achieve a business goal. Third is a data scientist. Data scientists examine which questions need answering and where to find the related data. They source, manage, analyze, clean, present and visualize large amounts of unstructured data to make business decisions. So who want to become a robotic engineer must to learn machine learning program. Learning algorithms work on the basis that strategies, algorithms and inferences that worked well in the past are likely to continue working well in the future. This interference can sometimes be obvious, such as since the sun rose every morning for the last 10,000 days, it will probably rise tomorrow morning as well. Other times they can be more nuanced, such as 10% of families have geographically separate species with the color variants. So there is a Y% chance that undiscovered black swans exist. Machine learning programs can perform tasks without being explicitly programmed to do so. It involves computers learning from data provided so that they carry out certain tasks. For simple tasks assigned to computers, it is possible to program algorithms telling the machine how to execute all steps required to solve the problem at hand. On the computer's part, no learning is needed. For more advanced tasks, it can be challenging for a human to manually create the needed algorithms. In practice, it can turn out to be more effective to help the machine develop its own algorithm rather than having human programmers specify every needed step. The discipline of machine learning employs various approaches to teach computers to accomplish tasks where no fully satisfactory algorithm is available. In cases where vast numbers of potential answers exist, one approach is to label some of the correct answers as valid. This can then be used as training data for the computer to improve the algorithms it uses to determine correct answers. For example, to train a system for the task of digital character recognition, the minced data set of handwritten digits has often been used. So this is a machine learning. So machine learning is a field devoted to understanding and building methods that the machines learn. That is a methods that leverage data to improve computer performance on some set of tasks. It is seen as a broad subfield of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithm build a model based on a sample data known as training data in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms are used in a wide variety of applications such as in medicine, email filtering, speech recognition, agriculture, and computer vision. There it is difficult or unfeasible to develop conventional algorithms to perform the needed task. As a subset of machine learning is closely related computational statistics, which focuses on making predictions using computers, but not all machine learning. Statistical learning, the study of mathematical optimization, delivers methods, theory, and application domains. To the field of machine learning, data mining is a related field of study focusing on exploratory data analysis through unsupervised learning. Some implementation of machine learning use data and neural networks in a way that mimics the working of biological brain. In its application across business problems, machine learning is also referred to predictive analytics. So next is data scientist. Data science is a interdisciplinary academic field that uses statistics, scientific computing, scientific methods, process, algorithms, and systems to extrapolate knowledge and insight from noisy, structured, and unstructured data. Data science also integrates domain knowledge from the underlying application domain, natural sciences, information technology, and medicine. Data science is multifaceted and can be described as a science, a research paradigm, a research method, discipline, a workflow, and a profession. Data science is a concept to unifies statistic data analysis, informatics, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with the data. It is techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context mathematics, statistics, computer science, information science, and domain knowledge. However, data science is different from computer science and information science. Turing Award winner Jim Gray imagined data science as a fourth paradigm of science: empirical, theoretical, computational, and now data driven, and asserted that everything about science is changing because of the impact of information technology and the data development. A data scientist is a professional who creates programming code and combines it with statistical knowledge to create insights from data. So who want to become robotic engineer must to learn data science also. So who want to become a robotics engineer must to learning artificial intelligence programmers. Artificial intelligence (AI) is intelligence demonstrated by machines as opposed to intelligence of humans and other animals. Example tasks in which this is done include speech recognition, computer vision, translation between natural language, as well as other mappings of inputs. AI applications include advanced web search engines, Google search, recommendation systems used by YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix, understanding human speech such as Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, Waymo, generative or creative tools, ChatGPT and AI art, automated decision making, and competing at the highest level in the strategic game systems, such as chess and Go. Machines become increasingly capable. Tasks considered to require intelligence are often removed from the definition of AI. A phenomenon known as the AI effect, for instance, optical character recognition, is frequently excluded from things considered to be AI, having become a routine technology. Artificial intelligence was founded as academic discipline in 1956, and in the years since it has experienced several waves of optimism, followed by disappointment and the loss of funding known as an AI winter, followed by new approaches, success and renewed funding. AI research has tried and discarded many different approaches, including simulating the brain, modeling human problem solving, formal logic, large database of knowledge, and imitating animal behavior. In the first decades of the 21st century, highly mathematical and statistical machine learning has dominated the field, and this technique has proved highly successful, helping to solve many challenging programs throughout industry and academia. The various subfields of AI research are centered around particular goals and the use of particular tools. The traditional goals of AI research include reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, and the ability to move and manipulate objects. General intelligence, the ability to solve an arbitrary problem, is among the field's long-term goals. To solve these problems, AI researchers have adapted and integrated a wide range of problem-solving techniques, including search and mathematical optimization, formal logic, artificial neural networks, and methods based on statistics, probability, and economics. AI also draws upon computer science, psychological linguistics, philosophy, and many other fields. The field was founded on the assumption that human intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. This raised philosophical argument about the mind and the ethical consequences of creating artificial beings endowed with human-like intelligence. These issues have previously been explored myth, fiction, and philosophy since antiquity. Computer scientists and philosophers have since suggested that AI may become an existential risk of humanity if its rational capacities are not steered towards beneficial goals. The term artificial intelligence has also been criticized for overhyping AI's true technological capabilities. So if you want to become a robotic engineer, must to learn these all things. So thank you for watching my channel. See you next video. Thank you.